and some girls won't. Cause I make a lot of money and your boyfriend don't. LL with the hell, gonna rock the bell. For your washed up rappers wanna do this well, rock the bell. Now I'm worldwide, know whether you like it or not. My woman band is co-created.